Welcome back! In the last lesson, we built the HTML structure for our header and navigation menu. Right now, the links appear as a plain vertical list. In this video, we will use CSS to transform that simple list into a professional, modern navigation bar. First, let's think about the design. We want our navigation bar to be horizontal, with the links displayed side by side. It should have some spacing, so the links don't look too close together. We also want the text to be easy to read, and we'll add a hover effect so the menu feels more interactive. And then open your style.css file. Let's start by resetting some default styles. Browsers automatically add margin and padding to lists, so we'll remove them from the another list and remove the bullets as well. Here in the another list, in braces, we write list style no, margin 0, and padding 0. Next, we'll style the nav tag element to use Flexbox. This will arrange all links horizontally. Inside the nav, target the UL and add nav, another list, display flex, justify content center, and a gap of 2 rem. The property display flex puts the list item in a row instead of a column. Justify content center aligns the items horizontally in the center, and gap 2 rem adds equal spacing between each link. And now let's style the links themselves. We'll remove the underline, set a nice font size, and add some color. In nav, target A, text decoration none, color, in hex code, #333, font size 1.5 rem, font weight bold, transition color 0.3s is. The transition property here makes the color change smooth when we hover a link. Let's add that hover effect now. In nav A hover, in braces we write the color. You choose whatever. And with this rule, whenever a user moves their mouse over a link, the text color will change to a bright blue, giving a nice visual feedback. And save your file and refresh your page. Now the menu looks much more like a real navigation bar. The links are aligned horizontally, they have proper spacing, and the hover effect makes them interactive. And before we end, let's add one more touch. To make the header stand out, let's give it some padding and a light background color. And in CSS file we write header, in braces, background color, the color that you want, in hex code, padding 2 rem 0. And this way the header is clearly separate from the rest of the style. And we refresh the page. And great job! In this video, we turned a plain vertical list into a stylish, modern navigation bar using Flexbox, spacing, colors, hover effects, and relative units. In the next lesson, we'll continue building our website by creating the hero section with a background image and a main heading. So, goodbye.